Welcome to Prosser Aviation. My name is Rebecca Striegel. I'm the instructor for this joint program between Prosser Career Technical Education Center and Vincennes University. So for a description of the course, we primarily focus on the career path for pilots, although we do touch base for other careers such as air traffic control, aviation law, airport management, meteorology. We touch base between the military and the civilian sectors of aviation, but we are primarily focused on a pilot pathway. We are a dual enrolled course, which means that you will be directly enrolled at Vincennes University while also obtaining high school credit. You'll be taking 3 college classes per semester with me, and then you'll be earning 18 different college credits in your first year as a junior. Your second year as a senior will be a little bit different. You will be flying after school at the airport, and that is for a pre-solo 1-credit college course. The courses that you will take are Intro to Aviation, Systems, Aerodynamics and Performance, Aviation Law. You'll also take Private Pilot Ground School, Air Transportation, and Aviation Weather. Your senior year, you'll be taking a pre-solo flight course directly at the airport during 1 semester of your choice. For certifications, we don't offer certifications per se, but we do have an endorsement opportunity to take the first component of your private pilot check ride after the successful completion of your spring semester courses. We do offer work-based learning for this course. In your junior year of the first semester, you will be doing a job shadow, and most likely it will be at a local airport to monitor and experience ground operations. Those students are always encouraged to network with family members or community professionals to possibly shadow flight instructors, aircraft mechanics, airport managers, or flight instructors. The opportunity is what you make of it. So if you have any more questions, I'd be happy to meet with you at our Q&A for our open house. Thank you again.